my name is Angie. I'm going to be 45 in a couple months, and I have a Shein haul that I'm going to show to you today. So, we have this right here, which is some kind of loungy wear. We have this right here, which is also some lounge wear. Don't go yet. We also have these super cute pants right here. I know you can totally see them through the back. And last but not least, this is not Shein, but it did come from Amazon. I think it came from Amazon. So I have this here to show you that has a little undershirt that goes along with it. So stick around at least for this last outfit because you are going to absolutely love it. Without further ado, let's put on some clothes. Okay, so the first outfit I'm going to show you actually is going to mix and match with another piece of clothing that I'm going to show you next. So I'll show you this first. So right here, put that down there for now. Right here we have these nice pants. As always, they have a slight little flare at the bottom. And then to go with the pants, we have this cute little shirt that has a V-neck that goes with it. Now this shirt also goes with another super cute pair of pants that I'm going to try on after I get done with this outfit. So hang tight on that. Let's go ahead and give this outfit a try. I'll be right back. Alright, and first I want to show you the pants. You might recognize this sweater from another haul. If you don't recognize it, be sure to check that haul out. I will link all of my try-on hauls from Shein down in the comments, so be sure to check those out. First, check out these pants. They have a little slit right at the bottom, which I think is super cute and a little airy. See, there's one on this side too. Yay! And then, ow, I just stepped on something sharp. Okay. Ow, I just did it again. Oh, holy shit. I just stepped on a tack. Look at that. Can you see that? Yeah, I just stepped on that. Let me take care of it. There, I put it in the wall. Okay. Sheesh. No more stepping on tacks. Alright, so anyway, these pants, they're very snug at the top part, and then they get a little bit looser towards the bottom. And like I said, they have this cute little flare. They're really comfy. The material is not, it kind of feels like polyester or something. It's not super soft, but it's definitely super stretchy. So let me just do a little spin around of the outfit, and then I will get closer and show you this beautiful shirt. So first of all, check out all of this lace that is all over the shirt. It comes all the way up the sleeve and down it. This part right here is really stretchy, so it's pretty cool because it just hugs your body. And I think that this outfit goes pretty well together. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Is this a good outfit, or did I kind of miss the mark on the pants and the shirt? Last but certainly not least, we have one more outfit, and I'll show it to you right now. Okay, so this is the one I said it came from either Walmart or Amazon. First of all, it has a little, this I got a long time ago at the mall, but this little tank top goes on underneath of it. And then, let me show you this part. It's pretty cool. And then this little sweater number, it's a little, I can't get it straight. Well, anyway, I will show you, but this sweater actually, oh, here we go. No, is that not right? Oh, I don't know. My camera battery is going to die before I figure this out. Anyway, I will put this little sweater on and I will show you what it looks like over that cute little camisole. So I will be right back with you in just a moment. And it has bell sleeves like we all know that I love. But this wraps up the video. My camera batteries are running out and I don't have any spares. So go ahead and leave me a comment of which outfit you like the best. Be sure to like and subscribe. If you made it this far, you might as well make it even further and like and subscribe to the video. That way you don't miss anything. So with that being said, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day. I'll see you in the next video, and peace out.